Okay, in this video, I have solved a number of problems at the end of the chapter. It's the third chapter on First Order Differential Equations, and we had looked at various methods for solving these differential equations, both linear and nonlinear types of differential equations, all first order. And we used Bernoulli's method, exact method, separable, homogeneous. We looked at a number of different methods and solutions, and some of these miscellaneous problems are very difficult. So what I did in this video, rather than make it a sequential video that flows, I have a table of contents, and this table of contents you can look through and see the list of problems that have been solved, and each problem is presented in order, and you can stop the video at any point, and wherever you need to take a look at any of the content for any protracted period of time, you just move to the particular problem by advancing or retreating in the video itself. So it's basically a series of images or slides, but each problem is solved in order, in the same order as in the table of contents. And I believe there are 4 pages of table of contents listing 36 different problems. And the solutions to each and every one of them are presented in order, so you can advance or rewind in the video to the problem that you're interested in solving. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment for me and I'll help you out, or if you find a mistake, I'd be glad to see where I may have made a mistake in a solution. However, I must say that each of these problems were taken from a text called Boyce and DiPrima, and I did verify the answers to the answers that were given in the back of the book, so they should be correct. So with that, I hope this is of benefit. The next video will consist of applications of first order differential equations, a number of applications, and then we'll be moving into second order differential equations. So we're looking forward to that, and some new methods for more complicated problems. So with that, we've accomplished a milestone with the first set of videos, in that we completed this entire topic of first order differential equations. As a PS to this narration, the rest of this video will not be narrated, so you can browse through it at your own leisure.